What's good, YouTube? It's J and K here, back with another video, and we're reacting to Cenat's first time trying Dominican food. Yeah.
Bobby, listen. I turned Dominican 3 years ago, and I'm here to show y'all I don't really like that. You feel what I'm saying? We had the Africans last week.
What?
Right now,
You turned Dominican 3 years ago.
Hey, yo, chupami pito, chupami pito. Okay, listen, I'm gonna back up, yo, listen, so
The last
first
time
things
he was
first,
so
we got the
Fulani or
Dominican
something.
food, Bobby. Okay?
Safulani.
Dominican food, Bobby. I'm gonna show y'all, Bobby. First things first. And look, I know it's not sunny side up. I know it's not sunny side up. I know it's for the culture. You gotta have it sunny side up. I think you're not even supposed to have eggs. I think I'm not sure. But look, I had to get the scrambled eggs. Okay, chat. Is this mango? What is this again? Mango.
But that look like
Okay,
Eba.
so we have the mango.
Low key, what the hell?
Grande mango. Grande mango. Grande mango. So we have the mango, Papi. We have the mango. The eggs look like how I want them. Okay. Second, we have the patalilla, Papi.
Y'all look like meat pies.
Yeah.
What the hell is going on?
The
Ooh, that looks
compollo,
good.
the compollo, so chicken, regular chicken. You feel what I'm saying? We have the regular compollo chicken. I wait all day for it, Bobby. I waited all day. Then we have this. Chat, what is this called again? What is this called again, chat? Mofongo. Mofongo. We have the mofongo, okay?
So based off of what you saw, you trying any of that?
No. But
Fuck no.
it's because I'm a really picky eater, and I base a lot of my food based off of appearance.
I'll eat the eggs.
Eggs are eggs, bro. You can't even really count that.
Okay, I'll eat the chicken.
Okay, yeah, I wouldn't mind the chicken, but everything else, I don't know, bro. That shit.
That looked like a loaded potato, but the potato was overcooked.
They got some like hungry, not hungry.
Well, that looks like gari, bro.
Low key. What is going on, bro? Like, it's like we got what they got, but like we just call it different names.
And to be honest, ours looks better. I ain't gonna lie.
What, the gari? You can have different types of gari. Maybe this is just made from different shit right now.
It's like some sauce. What is this? Some sauce for the mofongo, right? Okay.
I mean, it's liquidy like gari,
Right,
so.
Bobby, look. Oh my God, I'm so
Why is
excited.
it so
First things first, I'm gonna
'Cause
keep
you're
it
trying
a
to
stack. Okay? I'm gonna keep it a stack. This is my honest food review. Okay? Let me go ahead and
If this shit is ass, I'm telling you
food
niggas.
review. I'm not here to play no games. I'm not here to say it's good when I don't really think it's good. Okay? On top of that, I will be comparing this to the foods I've tried in the past, such as African food. So now my African, I don't want to put y'all at war or nothing, but what y'all think is better, African food or Dominican food? You feel what I'm saying?
I ain't really had Dominican.
I
food.
haven't had Dominican.
First, I'm going to start off with the eggs.
They're eggs.
I'm trying the eggs right now. You feel what I'm saying? It's cooked by a Dominican restaurant. Hopefully, this is a good start. If you can't make eggs, that is unfortunate. Let's see.
They're eggs. They're eggs.
You got that eggs. Come on now.
Off the rip.
The mango post to have pickled onions on top.
Like,
That doesn't
That
count,
doesn't-
right? You can't judge that because they're eggs.
I love eggs. Don't mean not your eggs. I love eggs, bro. Off rip, 10 out of 10. Okay, we're going to try it right now. I'm letting y'all know right now.
Eat the Eba.
Bro, I'm letting y'all know. I'm not going to disrespect it or nothing. But if it's not good, I'm going to let y'all know.
You like that shit.
Yo! I ain't gonna lie, bro! Yo! ¿De dónde está mi negro amigo? Yo, on my mother's, yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. No!
Would have been funny if he said all that. This shit is ass.
I am not exaggerating right now. Bro, the plantain, 10 out of 10.
Yes, sir.
It's 10 out of 10.
That's good.
If you didn't know.
That's good. Yo, Africa. Yo, my Africans. Y'all might have some competition, bro. Good. Next we have this. What is this? Is this the cheese?
That That's cheese?
Dad, what is
That
this?
don't look like cheese.
Okay, fried cheese. This is the fried cheese.
Fried
Let's see what
cheese?
it's about.
Platano, 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 platano.
What?
That look good though.
Bro, what? I thought he just saying words now.
Words of my dad.
Yes.
Words of my dad is all thing. Yo, nah, no, yo.
I forgot what OD mean. Let me search it up.
Overdose?
Nah, that's
Drive.
Like I have Dominican friends and but to actually hands-on try this, bro, this is good, bro. Bro, these
Leprechaun.
eggs, the eggs and the plantains. Oh my god. Oh my god, Bobby. I swear to God.
I want to have some fun real.
the ads are non-stop. It's like whenever we're recording, that's when the ads come.
Facts.